How to enable dark mode on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to reduce eye strain and save battery power by enabling dark mode on Messenger? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to enable it. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on chat section. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. At the top, you will see the option for dark mode. Tap on it. Here are two ways to toggle on dark mode. Set it to on to activate dark mode immediately, or set it to system to let dark mode follow your device system settings. Let's see the demo for both options. Select on. As you can see, dark mode is enabled. Select system. As you can see, it switches to light mode because my device dark mode is off. To turn on dark mode based on your system settings, swipe down on your screen, find the dark mode option and enable it. As you can see, dark mode is now enabled. You might have been confused at the moment thinking which option is the best way to enable dark mode on your device. I will recommend selecting the on option if your device does not have inbuilt dark mode feature like mine. Also, it has a con part. Whenever you need to turn off dark mode, you need to repeat the same steps as I shown in this video earlier and select off option to toggle off dark mode. But if you have dark mode feature inbuilt on your device, then let it be set to system. This way you can easily toggle dark mode on and off within few seconds on Messenger. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two best way to enable dark mode on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.